I think one of the things I do well is realize I don't know everything, so I look for the people who are doing it the best. And that's what Tommy's pulled together, so I've come out here, learned from Tommy amongst the other folks. For us, in our market, we're really rural, and it has its own unique scenarios. Obstacles these days, I'll run right through them and take on the next one. So it's really about just finding little incremental changes that I can bolt on, add on, and scale up. At the end of the day, I'm just looking to level up every day.